Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ad creator tool on Artisly, and this is a great way to display your products, plus it is so quick and easy to use. Let's jump on in. So we're currently on Artisly at the moment, and I've already generated these super cute puppies, which we're going to be using for our products. And how we do access the ad creator tool is we're just going to go up to the top here and select this AI Design Agents button. And then we are going to be selecting the ad creator tool. Now, as you can see, this is still in beta mode at the moment, which means that they are still testing and refining things. So it doesn't come out like super perfect, but it does do a pretty good job. Now you can either decide to upload your images or you can choose from library. So I'm just going to be selecting this one here. And then I'm just going to select this dog here, the pug. Now when we do go down, you can choose which aspect ratio you would like to choose. I'm just going to leave it on the 1:1 aspect ratio, which is just like a square. And then you can also select how many ads you would like to do at a time, and you can actually do up to 25 ads. So I'm just going to do 6 just to kind of give you an idea of how it does work. And for the prompt, I'm just going to write in, please use this image on different print-on-demand products, such as a bag, a mug, a cushion, a small wall art print, a notebook, and a phone case. Please make the image small and do not include any wording. So I'm just going to copy this. Now the reason I like to add in here, please make the image small and do not include any wording, is because this tool does like to add in really random words. I'll actually regenerate it and show you what I mean, but a lot of the phrases, it just like doesn't even relate to the product. So we'll select generate and we'll see how these ones actually turn out. And I'm going to go generate images. And as you can see, this one is currently loading. So I'm just going to go back up and repeat that same process, but we're going to remove that last part. So we'll choose the same one. And then we're just going to paste in here, and we're just going to take off this last part here. We'll do 6 just so we can match it. And we're going to select generate again. And we're just going to scroll down, see if our images have loaded. So as you can see here, we've got it on a cushion. I think this is like way oversized. It's way too big. So we can select regenerate and we'll see if we can get a better image. But this one here looks really cute. We've got the wall art. We've got it on a notebook. It's done a pretty good job here. And it's also made its own little logo as well. We've got it on a phone. We've also got it on a mug as well. It's gone on a bag. I like this one. This one looks really cute. And if we scroll up, you can see how much random stuff it has added. So like if you click on this one here, the image itself looks great, but then it's got carry your joy. And then it's just got like random stuff. We've also got art that mounts hearts. So that's why I like to add on the end. Do not add any wording, but this is completely up to you if you'd like to do that. And then as you can see here, this is also really big, like it's kind of like a 3D image. So it hasn't like really placed on the product correctly. If you really like these images, you could always take it into Canva and just edit it out, or just use the human stylizer tool. But I just find that just adding the extra wording at the end really makes a huge difference. Now if we scroll back up again, we can go back to the same tool, and I'll just show you how to make a birthday card as well. So we'll do choose from library, and we will go down. I'm going to select this puppy here. And we're going to write, please use this image on a white card to create a birthday card with the words happy birthday. Please make the scene birthday themed. Awesome, and we're going to do 6 of these as well. And we're going to select generate. Here, so we've got one of them has generated already. You can see that it's added happy birthday in here, and then it's kind of got like a cupcake and then some random crafting stuff. Oh, this one's nice. So I think this tool is so cool, like especially if you sell digital products. I personally like to sell products on Etsy, and then what you could do is just take your graphics into here, and then it's kind of demonstrating how the product can be used itself. This one looks cool, and it's got like balloons in the background. You can also create some clothing mockups as well. So we'll just go back to the AI Design Agents tab, and we'll just go Add Creator, and we'll scroll down and select the Golden Retriever. Now we're just going to write in here, please use this image on a white t-shirt. Please include a pretty model wearing the t-shirt. Please do not make the image too big. Please do not include any writing. And we'll change this over to 6, and we're going to select generate. And generate images. Awesome, so we do have some of our images here. This one looks really nice. So you can see we've got the image here. This one's way too big, like this is just like size up the image, not what we were wanting. We also do have this one here where they've added in the balloons. She looks so pretty. I think these have actually turned out really nice. So yeah, this is the ad creator tool. I personally think it's such a great addition to Artistly. If you've never heard of Artistly before, basically it is an AI generation app where you only have to pay once for lifetime access. I will be leaving my affiliate link down below if you'd like to check it out, and if you do decide to use it, I may receive a commission, so thank you so much in advance if you decide to do that. I hope that you found today's video helpful. If you have, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.